There's really no reason to complain about the fact that the life is hard, because actually when it is hard, it means there is a lot of opportunities to learn something. And very often when we have to take easy choices, then life seems to be easy, but the result is not much. Yeah? So you make easy choices now, but then you don't get any result. And the fact is, you get a result, but it's not what you wanted. And if you have to make hard decisions now, it means you will have an easier life in the future because you have worked for your future. So if you decide to take a harder way or route now, it means you will be benefiting from the fruits in the future, from the results. Therefore, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and do things which are hard, because it's worth it. The results are worth it. And I know that feeling when you're kind of afraid to take action and put yourself out there just because you are afraid of the judgment or the fact that you might fail, which is a pretty high probability, like most of businesses fail, for example. But if you're ready for a failure, then it's totally fine. You fall down, then you get up and you go on. The only true failure is to give up. But if you want to dream big, then you have to be prepared for criticism as well. I talk more about it in this video here. You can also learn how to provide constructive criticism and things like that. And at the same time, most of the people who criticize are the ones who failed to have the courage to walk the way themselves. So there is no point in taking those things seriously. So your courage to do things is important, even if you don't have big results to show for. The fact that you are showing up means a lot. It means that you are trying, you are doing your best, you are taking action, and that means that you can never fail. On this channel, you can learn a lot of things on business and self-development, so make sure you check out other videos of mine on this topic. The links are in the description below as well as at the end of this video. And make sure you give this video a like. It's the best way to support this channel so that I can continue enjoying providing you with interesting, entertaining information. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can meet next Wednesday. And check out my book on personal development. The link is in the description below. It is on Amazon. Hopefully it can inspire you to take new steps and to take action and go beyond your comfort zone. Stay tuned and see you next time.